Trick to multiply 3-digit numbers by 999. Let's start with first example. 789 multiply by 999. Step 1. Subtract 1 from this 789 and we will get 788. Now this 788 we will subtract from 999. So we will get 1, 1, 2. Now we will write both the numbers combined. 7, 8, 8, 2, 1, 1. This is our answer of 789 into 999. Let's see next example. 284 into 999. Step 1, minus 1. So 283, and we will subtract this 283 from here. This is 1 and 7. We will write this 7, 1, 6. This is our answer. It will not take more than 2 seconds to solve this multiplication. Let's see next example. 587 into 999. Step 1, minus 1. So this is 586. We will write 586 here also and subtract this 586 from 999 and we will get 3, 1 and 4 and we will combine this 4, 1, 3 here. This is our answer. Let's see next example. 856 into 999. Step 1, minus 1. So this is 855. Step 2, minus 855 from here. This is 4, 4, 1 and we will write both combined. 855, 1, 4, 4. This is our answer. Let's see next and last example. 999 into 999. Step 1, minus 1. 998. Step 2, 998, 100. So we will write both number combined 001. This is our answer. So after few practice, you can do without pen and paper this calculation. I hope this video will help you in your calculation. If you like the video, press the like button. Do subscribe my channel Anjali Maths to get the latest update. Thank you. Have a nice day.